Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your USPS account has been disabled and you are not able to log in into your account, don't worry because in today's video I will show you exactly how you can recover your account step by step. So first of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for reg.usps.com/login. So what this is going to do is it is going to redirect you on the sign in page of USPS. Over here, you will see the username, password, and the sign in option. But since you want to recover your account, you just have to click on the option of forgot your password. After clicking on it, you will be landed here on this page where you need to provide your username associated with your account. Then you need to simply follow the verification steps. USPS is going to send you a recent link via your email address or your phone number, and it is going to basically look something like this. So after selecting it, as soon as you press continue in the bottom, you will be landed on the next page where you can create your new password and then you can try logging in again. In many cases, accounts are disabled temporarily due to multiple failed login attempts. Now, if the reset doesn't work, you can check your account's information. Just make sure that your email address and the phone number linked to USPS are still active. If prompted, you can complete the identity verification steps like OTP or security questions. Avoid using any VPNs or any suspicious IP addresses while logging in, as USPS may block access for security reasons. You can try logging in from your regular device and the network as well. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.